Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on responsive web design principles, and we're going to learn how to make typography responsive. So instead of using EM or PX, you can use viewport units for responsive typography. And these viewport units are kind of like percentage, where they're relative units, but they're based off different items. They're relative to the viewport dimensions, the width or height of the device, and percentage are relative to the size of the parent container. So here are the four different viewport units. So VW, so it will be the viewpoint's width, a percentage of the width. VH, viewpoint height, it will be percentage of the height. Vmin, so it will be the percentage of the smaller dimension, either height or width. And then Vmax, which will be percent of the bigger dimension, either height or width. So for this exercise, we want to change the width of the H2 tag to 80% of the viewpoint's width. So we're going to change to H2, and then we're going to do width, and it says 80%, so 80 of the width, VW. And then we're going to do the P, the paragraph, and it's going to be width 75 Vmin. I forgot the semicolon. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.